Unlock unmatched efficiency and precision in PCB assembly with the S-7000Eyelet pin insertion machine. Are you ready to revolutionize your PCB assembly process? The S-7000Eyelet pin insertion machine offers a groundbreaking combination of speed, precision, and reliability to elevate your production line. Designed with cutting-edge technology, the S-7000 ensures your components are inserted with perfect accuracy every single time. Whether you're dealing with high-volume production or need to meet the toughest quality standards, this machine is your ultimate solution. Since 2011, we've been empowering electronics manufacturers around the world with the best in automation, and the S-7000 is the next step toward transforming your operations. This machine has a theoretical speed of 8,000 CPH, components per hour, and boasts an impressive insertion defect rate of less than 800 ppm. It can accommodate PCBs up to 480 by 480 millimeters in size and 0.79 2.36 mm in thickness. Versatile insertion. The S-7000 is capable of inserting a variety of components, including eyelet pins, 1.6 to 3.5 millimeters, long pins, and tape pins. Customization. You can choose between 1 and 4 insertion heads based on your production needs. Advanced vision system. The machine utilizes a machine vision system with multi-point mark vision correction for precise hole positioning. User-friendly control. A Chinese operation interface based on the Windows System Control Platform and an LCD display make operation straightforward. Flexible operation. You have options for work table modes, LR, RL, or turntable, and circuit board conveying, manual or automatic. Minimal maintenance. The S-7000 requires very little maintenance or inspection, reducing downtime and costs. Quick changeover. The bottom mold can be quickly replaced to meet varying pin blooming requirements. Global support. The manufacturer provides 24/7 worldwide support, free installation and training, 1-day lead time for spare parts, and customized solutions within 1 month. Performance highlights. High throughput with an estimated cycle time of 23.2 seconds per PCB, including entry, exit, and mark recognition. The S-7000 can achieve an actual UPH, units per hour, of 138 single PCBs or 138 combined PCBs. Impressive capacity. This translates to a monthly capacity of 69,000 units and an annual capacity of 828,000 units. Welcome, contact me on WhatsApp +861 870 239 7544.